Welcome to the TradingView tutorial on how to write code. TradingView is a popular platform for technical analysis and trading, and its programming language is called PineScript. To start writing code, open the TradingView platform and navigate to the Pine editor. The Pine editor is where you will write and edit your code. It is located at the bottom of the screen and can be accessed by clicking on the Pine editor tab. Once you are in the Pine editor, you can start writing your code. The first line of code should be the version of the PineScript you are using, which is currently version 5. The syntax for this is version 5. Next, you need to define the study or strategy you are creating. This can be done using the study or strategy function. For example, study title My First Script. This will create a new study called My First Script. Now that you have defined your study, you can start adding code to it. The most basic code is the plot function, which is used to plot a value on the chart. For example, plot close. This will plot the closing price on the chart. You can also add conditions to your code using the if statement. For example, if close greater than open, then plot shape label up. This will plot an up arrow on the chart whenever the closing price is greater than the opening price. It is also important to understand the concept of variables in PineScript. Variables are used to store values that can be used later in your code. For example, length 20. This will create a variable called length with the value 20. You can also use built-in functions in PineScript, such as the SMA function, which calculates the simple moving average. For example, plot SMA close length. This will plot the simple moving average of the closing price with the length of 20. Another important concept in PineScript is the concept of timeframes. You can use the timeframe function to specify the timeframe you want to use. For example, timeframe title 1 meter. This will set the timeframe to 1 minute. Finally, once you have written your code, you can add it to the chart by clicking on the Add to Chart button. This will apply your code to the chart and you can see the results. In conclusion, writing code in TradingView is a powerful way to create custom indicators and strategies. By following these steps and practicing with the Pine editor, you can create your own custom indicators and strategies and take your trading to the next level.